Welcome to the Voice of America's Newswords.
This newsword comes from a story about Buckingham Palace in London. The building is 300 years old and home to Britain's Queen Elizabeth and Prince Philip. Renovation.
The work will be done in stages, so the Queen will not have to move out, and with 775 rooms, there should be somewhere for her to escape the noise of renovation. Officials say if the planned work goes ahead, the palace will not need another renovation until 2067.
Renovation means changes and repairs to a building to improve it.
Experts say the structure and pipes of Buckingham Palace are in need of renovation.